Hello social media enthusiasts. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of unlinking your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Whether you want to separate them or take a break from cross-posting, we're here to help. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone, iPad or Android phone. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the lower right corner. Step 3. In the upper right corner of your profile page, tap the hamburger menu. 3 horizontal lines. Step 4. Click Account Center. Step 5. Scroll down and select Add or Remove from this account center. Step 6. Click Remove to delete the account. Step 7. Select the unlinking process by clicking Remove Account, then select Continue. Confirm final deletion and there you have it. Your Facebook and Instagram accounts are now separate. Enjoy managing them independently. Thank you for watching the video. Raising hands.